Hi guys, welcome to Creations by Karen. Today is day 17 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. And today we're going to make something for my boy and his new bride, Stephanie. So they got married in August. So I thought I'd do them an ornament, a special ornament for them. So I went to my Canadian Tire. They've got their ornaments out and they're beautiful. And I found this really pretty, it's quite large, but it has gold glitter on the inside. I thought it was nice, so I'm just going to cut this tag off. Isn't that pretty? A little gold action going on. Pretty. And then on my Cricut, of course, and if you don't have a Cricut, use a pen, a Sharpie black oil-based paint pen, and if you have good handwriting, put it on. But I used my Cricut. So I made We Said I Do in 2023. I know it's backwards for you guys, I'm sorry. And then I put one that says Kurt and Steph. 1908-23. August 19th is when they got married. So all I'm going to do is take my ornament and I'm going to put some transfer tape on this. Just going to cut this out a little bit so I can put my transfer tape on. There's my transfer tape. Now my Cricut's kind of odd right now, and I don't know if I need a new blade, but it doesn't like little things like the dots for the eyes. So I'm going to go in and fill them in this black paint pen. So I just take my transfer tape. I got this at Dollar Tree. They have the best transfer tape. I really like it because I bought some from Michael's, and unfortunately I bought the extra heavy duty stuff. Yeah, I can't get it off. So just try to get the backing off this, just like that. And I place it down on here. And then I just take my finger, and you can use whatever you like to do this, but I use my fingernail and it works great. Just to ensure that that sticks to the transfer tape. Just like so. And you can do this for any occasion, whether it's, you could do like an anniversary one or a birthday one. So that's We Said I Do in 2023. And I just want to, and I gotta remember where okay. So I just want to place this on the right at the center. So I just hold it and hold this in place. And what I like to do is just put the middle down first, because sometimes it'll crease a little bit. You don't want that. And I'll post a picture so you guys can see it. We said I do. They certainly did. And the cat's up here. Let's go. So you just have to do the same thing. Just rub it a bit so it affixes to the ornament. Lex, you can't stay up here, babe. She likes to be everywhere I am. And that's fine. So then I'm just going to take my transfer tape off. And if it doesn't want to stay, just put your finger on it and rub it down a little bit more. That's all coming down okay. Just going to peel this off. I'm going to lose that eye. That looks good. The I do part looks good. The we looks fine. Perfect. It's this A on the said. That's giving me trouble. But I got it. I got it off, guys. Perfect. It's so pretty. We Said I Do in 2023. And then I'm just going to put their names on the back. So I take the same transfer tape. My eye came off. That's good. So Kurt and Steph. Just place that down. Do the same thing, and I'll tell you what else you can use. I have a lighter here for when I light candles. I'm going to use my lighter. Just come down and rub it down. Just peel it off so it sticks. Kurt and Steph, and I want it to be on the back. Just place it down. Start at the middle, work your way to the outside. I like to have candles burning when I'm down here crafting. It smells so good. Plus it disguises the cat box down here. All right, so then you just gently, keyword gently, pull this down. That looks good. Kurt and Steph. Pretty. And then I just take my paint marker and I'm just going to dot where there was eyes that didn't come off with my transfer tape. And then on the back, I'm just going to put little dashes where the date is. Perfect. It's perfect. So I want to sit this up to let that dry. It's pretty. I like it. So I just have some duct tape and I just sit it on there because I'm going to make a bow for it. So I got this ribbon. I also got this ribbon at Canadian Tire. They have some nice ribbon there this year. Canadian Tire is like a automotive place, but they have all sorts of stuff and they have really good selection at Christmas time. I'm just going to make a simple bow. And I wanted the gold and white to go with the ornament. So I'm going to make just a really simple bow. So I just make a loop and then I turn this in half and come around and then come in. It's like a shoelace. And I suppose if you wanted to, you could like put greenery and stuff in it. They're minimalistic kids, so I didn't want to go too out there with it because that's not their style. So then I just pull it tight and then fluff it. Lexi's laying right in front of me here. You guys can't see her, but she's all about watching what I'm doing. And I'm by myself down here. She thinks I'm talking to her. All right, so I'm just going to pull that a little bit. And I don't want this to be too big. Just want it to be pretty. I'm going to make this about 2 fingers, I think. I'll do the same with this one, 2 fingers. That works good. Yep, it looks good. Just want to center this a little bit. All this fuss for a bow. That's okay. They're worth the fuss. I'm just going to cut this off and then I'll ducktail the ends. So ducktailing just means turn it so you have a center point. And just come from the center to the outside. So it looks like a V, upside down. Once again, turn and cut. Turn my hot glue gun on. Just going to put this aside for a second while I get everything else in place. And I'll play with this and make sure it looks good. And I want to put a ribbon on the hanging thing. And I have just some white silk ribbon. It is 1/4 inches, but I wanted it to be a good size. So I'm just going to cut it. And then come through the center. Just like this. And I'm just going to put it in a knot. Just like this. Easier said than done some days. Just like that. And then I'm just going to angle these so it looks pretty. Just like that. Now, it's not going to come off. No, I think it's good. I just want to place my bow right in the center. When they bought their house, I made them our first year in our new home. It was great. It was 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I don't remember. Kind of awful. Just waiting for my hot glue gun. I think we're good. So I'm just going to put a generous amount on the back of this bow. Lexi's still here. Lex, go. Crafting, babe. We're crafting. It's not quite ready, but you get the idea. Just want to fix this bow down on it so it looks pretty. Is it stuck yet? Yeah, it actually is. And that's it. We said I do in 2023, and on the back is their names, Kurt and Steph. There you go. Day 17 is in the books. Day 18, 19, 3 days left. Okay, guys, you have a great day. Love you all. See you soon. Bye now.